Nestled in rural southern Oregon is the modern manufacturing facility of Pacific Crest Transformers. "10,000 square feet of high bay storage provides the space and the inventory to feed the busy manufacturing facility. Raw materials are converted into transformers for the United States and world markets. In-house design and manufacturing of magnetic cores provides flexibility to meet the ever-demanding and evolving product scope. This includes cruciform, miter cut, and rectangular miter cut stacked cores. Clean and spacious coil winding areas and highly trained workers are key to maintaining quality processes. Round, rectangular, and disc-wound coil designs are matched to meet customer specifications and unique duty requirements. From its roots in Warren, Ohio, the company expanded to Medford in 1969. This building opened its doors in 1994 and sits at 120,000 square feet. PCT's advantages include its experience. The average time of employment is 12 years. Circular cruciform cores are the mainstay of transformers designed for demanding service conditions. Larger sized transformers are consistently manufactured with circular miter cut cores, regardless of duty and voltage class. For less demanding service, rectangular cores are an economical choice and an integral part of PCT's product scope. Assembly of the top yoke on the core, after the coils are mounted, completes the magnetic path and allows electrical testing to begin. Switches, bushing connecting leads, and bus are installed after the coils pass preliminary electrical checks. Pacific Crest Transformers metal fabrication is housed in an attached but separate building. Manufacturing drawings are passed via fiber optic connection from the mechanical designer to the state-of-the-art plasma cutting equipment. Additional fabrication equipment consists of a brake to form parts, a programmable punch, and other miscellaneous metalworking tools. A team of highly skilled welders are tasked with the assembly of the fabricated components. Each welder must pass a rigorous in-house certification process. An enclosed blast booth captures and recycles various types of blast media. All parts, including small fittings, are blasted to bare metal prior to painting. External mounting studs and fittings are added to the tanks after blasting and before primer is applied. Small parts receive the same careful paint treatment as the complete tanks. After receiving one coat of primer and one coat of paint, the tanks are moved to the other side of the factory where the completed coil assemblies can be inserted. Once assembly is completed, the tanks and coils are placed in a vacuum dome for the vacuum filling. Final production line tests can begin after the filling and impregnating process has been completed. The cover is welded on and a thorough cleaning process is performed. That will remove any debris or oil film from the outside prior to receiving a final coat of paint. In the final assembly area, the last external components and wiring are assembled and tested. Transformers are then loaded on dedicated flatbed trucks for shipment direct to their final destinations for installation.